Hello everyone, Namaskar, this is Chef Sudipta and I welcome you to my channel Cuisine Lovers. Today I will be preparing a very interesting dish. The name of the dish is Paneer Pasanda. So before I start with the Paneer Pasanda preparation, just we need to know why it is called Paneer Pasanda. So Pasanda, basically the meaning of Pasanda is something which is sliced thinly in cutlet shape. So Paneer Pasanda, basically it is a stuffed pasanda which I will be serving it with a delicious shahi gravy. So let us start. So thinly slice the paneer in cutlet shape. Okay, now let us make the stuffing. I require some grated paneer. In this grated paneer I will be using some dry fruits. For that, some raisins, some cashew nut and almond. So let us nicely chop this. Some cashew nut, some raisins. I will add all these dry fruits. In this, I will be adding some pinch of cumin powder, coriander powder, Garam Masala powder, some powdered sugar. Even if you want, you can add granulated sugar also. Some salt, and to give a little twist in the stuffing itself, I want this stuffing to bring to green in color. So for that I have made this paste which is consisting of blanched spinach leaves along with coriander leaves, fresh coriander leaves, mint leaves and green chilli. So all this I have make a paste of it. So I'll just give 1 spoon of this paste and then we will mix. Now it depends. If you want this stuffing to be yellow in color, you can add saffron in it or turmeric powder. If you want this color to bring it to red, you can add Kashmiri red chilli powder and mix. You will get these different types of color. So it depends upon you what kind of color you want to provide. I like this flavor and color both because this fresh coriander leaves, mint leaves, it provides nice flavor in it. At the same time, green chilies also it incorporate taste in it. Just mix this nicely. Our stuffing ready, our pasanda is ready. If you want, you just see the color, it is fresh green in color. Put the stuffing, spread it nicely. Close the open edge. Lightly you press so that stick together. So this way. Put another one. So done. You just keep the stuffing aside. So this part is done. Next what we will do, batter. Batter where we will coat this pasanda and then we will deep fry it. So the oil for deep frying is also almost ready. First what you have to do, you will take little corn flour, keep it in a plate and first you put this corn flour in the edge. Okay, take a bowl. You can use this corn flour. Now we will be using for the batter corn flour, refined flour mixture. Now it depends upon how much crispiness you require. Depending upon that, you will add the corn flour. If you want the moderate crispiness, you will add equal quantity of corn flour and refined flour together. If you want more crispy, give little more corn flour, less refined flour in it. I'll give equal quantity of corn flour and refined flour. Three spoons of refined flour. We'll add some salt. Mix it nicely. I'll give little oil in it. Mix again this properly. Don't add water at a time, so add slowly so that you get a proper consistency of your batter. Nice. Batter is ready now. We'll take this mixture. We will take the spoon, take out the batter, apply it nicely all over, and then place it in oil. Same process. Put this mixture inside, apply it nicely, remove the excess batter and place it in the oil. So the first job for the Paneer Pasanda preparation is done. Okay, so I have fried the pasanda, stuffed pasanda, and while you are frying it, it should be light brown in color. As you can see the color from the top, it should not be deep brown, it should be just light golden brown. So it is ready. I will remove it from the pan. So the pasanda is ready. Take it out from the oil. Done. This way only, just after it is fried, while it is crispy in texture on the top, you can serve, you can cut this in a triangle shape and you can serve like the fried one with some salad and chutney. This also can be a good starter in Indian course. But I will be using it as a main course, so I will be cooking it in a gravy which you will be relishing and enjoying it with some naan, parathas and roti. I just take it out in a chopping board. I'll cut it in triangle. Just see the color inside and how it is looking. Take it out in a plate and then we will start making the gravy. So Paneer Pasanda is ready now. I will prepare the Shahi gravy. Now this process which I am doing, even you can do it by the method of boiling. You just take onion, you can put some water and boil, but I always prefer cooking it, sauteing it in oil for a light and then put water and boil it so that it gives better flavor and taste in the product. So take the onion, so it is done. Tempering it with some whole hot spices. So cardamom, cloves, some cinnamon, mace, 1 pinch of cumin seed and give it a stir. Then some roughly cut onion, at this stage I will add some cashew nut, give some Charmagaj. It is optional. If you want, you can give, or you can only make with cashew nut. So lightly just saute this, and then you add water as it is required. Give it a stir. Put some salt. And cover the pan so that the onion cook nicely in the water. So the boiling of or cooking of onion is done. Let me check and show you. Yes, nice. So once all the ingredients are soft, you take out all the whole hot spices. It should come to room temperature, and then you prepare the paste. In this mixture, I will add some curd. Okay, so the mixture is ready. Add some oil. The oil is hot now. I will temper it with cumin seed, 1 bay leaf, then I'll give some ginger paste, some garlic paste, mix it nicely. Cook till the raw flavor of garlic removes from the mixture. So we need to reduce the temperature, and then we will start giving the powder spices. So some turmeric powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, small quantity of red chilli powder, small quantity of Kashmiri red chilli powder. Cook the masala along with the ginger garlic paste, and now add this onion, cashew nut, charmagaj and curd paste. Mix it nicely. Give a little salt. You should be little careful while you are adding salt at this stage, because already we have given salt while we have cooked the onion. So just cover the pan and cook the gravy for 2 minutes till it starts releasing the oil. So let us see how the gravy has done. Add some tomato puree. Mix it well. Now this is fresh tomato puree. I have blanched the tomato, removed the skin and seed, and then we made a puree from it. So the gravy is ready. See the color of the gravy. Now the time for finishing touch. I will give some cream in it, some ghee, small quantity of sugar, Garam Masala powder. Give a stir Mix everything nicely. Beautiful aroma is coming out from the gravy, and as you can see, it is light yellow in color, velvety texture and smooth. So just check the taste. Beautiful. Take the gravy in the serving dish. Then place the pasanda. Final presentation. Some cream for the final presentation. So the delicious Paneer Pasanda is ready. Enjoy the dish and don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Now is my time to check the taste and enjoy the dish. Beautiful. I can't express the taste which is present here. Little spicy, creamy, little sweet and smooth. Happy cooking.